Good morning and welcome to Moneyline. Today I have 28 odds for you in the world of tennis. So let's get started. The first game we have here is a game between Fognini Fabio taking on Vincent Ruggieri. My prediction is over 8.5 points at first set. Then the next one we have is a game between Cochinato Marco taking on Serundolo. My prediction here is over 8.5 goals, mostly over 8.5 goals in this ticket. And then you find this game in ATP, that is tennis ATP. And then also, if you want to join VIP and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Chat me up on WhatsApp. And then my subscription is affordable for everyone to participate. Okay, moving on, I'll drop this game here for you to play. If you are not using Sportybet, kindly go to tennis and then select ATP. Then you follow up with the names that I drop here, the teams that I drop here, and then I select over 8.5 point at first set, then I'll play them. I wish you guys good luck, and then remember to bet responsibly. And I will see you guys after the game. Thank you. So here is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. And then do not forget to like and share this video with your friends.